Do you know how to make your video clip more professional? Like, this is a dull clip. If we try to play it, we'll see that the video is playing very little movement, and it's not attractive. So let me show you how we can use the Kanban effect so that it looks lively. So in this video, I'm going to show you that thing. So I'm going to pause the video, and then it will be like that. Now what you need to do, so to that type of effect using Kanban basically, we just need to crop this video. So I'm going to apply the crop this video effect. So I'm going to click here, this small drop down. It will bring this menu. From here we have to choose crop, and once we select crop, then it will bring like this type of window. Over there is couple of options are there, like trim, crop, Kanban buttons. So we have to choose the last option, this one. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly you will see two square will be appeared. One is red and there is green. So red means from where the video will be ended, and start means from where the video will be started. So very shortly you will understand this thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you this video clip. It will start from the whole clip, and it will show at the end of the video clip only this is small flower. This is the big flower, this is a small flower, for example. Okay, so what you need to do, I'm going to reverse this thing basically by clicking this thing, rotate option. I'm going to click here, and you'll see this is the starting point and red is this ending point. So now I'm going to zoom it just like this. Okay, so it at the end it will be like that. And then once we are happy with the starting frame and the ending window or frame, whatever you say, then we just need to press done button. And now if we try to play this thing, we'll see the effect. So I'm going to bring my cursor over here, and then I'm going to play this video, and see here at the beginning the entire image or there like entire two flowers are there. Now it is going to show only one flower, and it is moving towards to the other small flower. So that's it. In this way we can easily apply the Kanban effect to make our video more lively.